Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is the Charles Ovalle I, just here at it again. This time, this video is gonna be for the Mac, and it's gonna be to teach you guys how to get your Launchpad back on your Mac. So without further ado, let's do this. So first of all, what you want to do when you end up on your home screen, you want to go to Finder. Once you are in Finder, you want to go to Applications, and make sure you have it under as icons. That's my preference. It's easier, obviously, to recognize it right away. So what you want to do now, you want to drag it out. It's right there, and put it on your strip, on screen strip, and there you go, you guys. This was a quick tutorial on how to add your Launchpad back on screen and on your screen dock. If you did like this, like, comment, and do subscribe. I will be making more videos in the future. And alright, you guys, take care. Alright.